many laps. Jerry Cook's brakes were glowing cherry red. And then in about the last 5 laps, the cherry red disappeared. He's okay. He's okay. Jerry Cook is okay, and he took quite a slide on the roof of his car. We'll continue explaining what happened. His brakes were cherry red for at least 30 laps. Then the cherry red disappeared. What happened? His brakes were gone. There was nothing to run on the rotors anymore. He was strictly out there going on gas pedal.